Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of April 15th, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is baseball. The Berenstain Bears, We Love Baseball by Mike Berenstain. Grizzly Gramps loves baseball. His favorite team is the Beartown Badgers. There's a big game today, says Gramps. Let's all go down to the ballpark. The rest of the family likes baseball too. They put on their Badgers caps. They put on their Badgers shirts. They are ready for the game. The parking lot is full. The crowd goes through the gates. They get their tickets punched. The Cubs get bobblehead dolls. Look, said Sister, it's Babe Bear. The family finds their seats. They look out over the green field. It's a nice day for baseball. The Badgers are warming up. There's the real Babe Bear, says Brother Bear. The other team warms up too. They are the Grizzly Growlers. They look pretty good. The Badgers mascot is in a badger suit. He does the badger dance. He turns a flip. He's funny. Everyone laughs. A loudspeaker says, "And now our Bear Country anthem." All take off their hats. They all sing, "Our country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing." When the anthem is over, everyone cheers. "Play ball," says the umpire. The first batter is up. "Papa," says Honey. She whispers in his ear. "Oh," said Papa, "come along." Papa takes Honey to the restroom. He hears cheering. Yay! It's a big play. He misses it. The next batter comes up. "Papa," says brother and sister, "we're hungry." Papa takes the Cubs for food. He hears cheering. Yay! It's another big play. He misses it. Papa and the Cubs go back to their seats. The next batter comes up. He hits a foul ball. I got it, says Papa. He misses it, but Honey catches it. Everyone cheers. The Badgers mascot is getting tired. He takes off his head. He needs a rest. "Let me have a turn," says Papa. He puts on the Badger suit. Papa dances the Badger dance. He does a flip. He slips and does an even bigger flip. He's funny. Everyone laughs. Now it's time to stretch. Everyone starts to sing. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I never get back. There's a close play at home plate. "You're out," says the ump. "He's safe," yells Grizzly Gramps. "Now Gramps," says Grizzly Gran. "But he was safe," says Gramps. "Just calm down," says Gran. "Yes, dear," says Gramps. The game is tied up. It's almost over. Babe Bear comes up to bat. He points to the fence. The ball comes in. Babe Bear swings. The ball flies over the fence. It's a home run. The Badgers win. The game is over. The crowd leaves the park. The Cubs wiggle their bobblehead dolls. Honey swings her doll's little bat around. "Home run," says Gramps. "Yay," they all cry. "Go Badgers." Papa does the Badger dance, but not the flip. The end. Alright, so we're going to make a baseball mobile. What you have is a bat, a baseball, and a baseball mitt. I'm going to paint them. I'm going to use these. They're called tempera paint sticks. They're tempera paint in little sticks that look kind of like glue sticks. You can use whatever kind of paint you want, or you can color. You can do whatever you want. But all you do with these is you put them up. Kind of looks like lipstick a little bit. And then you just paint on the You'll want to put something down underneath. See how I'm getting it off the paper? I'll do the lines. That's the stitching. Color the bat. I'm gonna make my bat brown. You can make it whatever color you want. I had a purple and pink bat when I was in softball when I was a kid. So bats don't have to be brown. I'm just making mine. The way I'm doing it is I'm outlining it and then coloring it in. This is actual paint, so it will get on your fingers and your clothes. So just be careful there. I have to go around the... Gotta be careful, I don't want to get it on the ball. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up, and again, your mitt doesn't have to be brown. I'm probably going to make mine brown. But I had a blue mitt when I was little. And I've seen pink mitts and purple mitts and red mitts. So you can do it whatever color you want. Okay, I ended up making my mitt red. I was trying to just do the webbing and then it went over, so I just did it the rest of the way. But this is my mobile. Those hang down. And this is the top. And that's all you do.